Configuration troubleshooting, it's regarding your operating system and what are the different troubleshooting things that you can do, different commands. Okay. Actually, it's two books, one subject. So maybe I'll just do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Because otherwise, this one is completely theoretical. So here we can do some practicals. Okay, Windows XP. Windows XP. We're giving features of the operating systems, okay? Hardware, minimum hardware requirements. So I can just go with Windows 8. Because why do we have to study the old operating systems? We don't have to study that. Windows XP, Windows Vista. So they are just giving the features of those operating systems, okay? Since we are in the new operating system, we don't have to know these features. Even if you do, you haven't gone into the operating. Okay, Windows 7. Okay, let's start with Windows 7. Okay, so these are the features of Windows 7, okay? You have home group support, jump list, Windows Essentials, Windows Touch. There are some performance improvements, 64-bit support, live taskbar previews. What are these things? Putting in the home group support. I need VMware for this to show because I have. If I restart, all these things will be gone. Okay, let me restart. Anyway, next class we have to change the classes.
PC configuration.
Next class, from next class, your class will be shifted to BDR3.
Media, because increase in number of students.
No, I think so. But actually, it's not required. ना ये लोग तो नहीं आते.
अगर इंग्लिश सब आ जाएंगे.
बाध्यता जिस करो.
नहीं, कभी-कभी मतलब बस वो लोग शुरू में आते एक घंटा बाद फिर चले जाते हैं. Including me one.
Yung pa iba diba? Ito mo. Ito lang. Saan to?
So मेरे पास VMware में Windows नहीं.
Parang gumanda na konti. Okay. Oh, may nag-on na naman ng Hyper-V. Ano nga ulit sa settings sa Windows? Control panel. Uninstall program. Yun sa programs and features. Okay. Ayan. So, yeah, turn on off. Turn features on and off. On or off. Tapos, hanapin mo Hyper-V. Yung pala yun.
Nag-on na naman eh.
They say there is a feature called home group was introduced. So home group is basically, as the name says, in your home if you have more than 2 computers, you can make it as a group, that is as in one network using your Wi-Fi connection or Ethernet connection, wired Ethernet connection. Then you can share files, printers, things like that. Okay, basically for home use. That is home group. Okay, so if you want to set up that, see your network sharing center will be there, right? If it is not started, just note down. You can do it later. You right click, open network sharing center. So right now it goes for public network, right? You can change this if you want.
Okay,
You can go for home network. Okay, this is the network profile. Okay, it says what kind of network it is. According to that, the security feature will be set up. But anyway, if you want to do home group, you see there is an option called home group.
Okay.
Click on this. This computer can't connect to home group. To create home group, your computer network must be set to home. Okay. So I'll set it to. I click on this public network and click on home network. I make this home network. So you can do it only on home network profile.
Okay.
So you can just make a group and you can you will have a user, you will have a password, and others, if they come in the network, they can click on the home group and they can join the group and they can give the password to join the group. Okay, just like you make WhatsApp group, okay, but in WhatsApp you don't have to give password to join a group, right? Yeah, somebody has to add you, right? But here you can join, but you have to give the password. And here you can say what are the things you want to share. Okay, pictures, music, videos, documents, printers. Okay, these are built-in folders. If you see, you know that, right? If you open the Explorer, you can see pictures, videos, music, documents. Whatever you put, it can be shared, including printers. Next. Okay, this is the password it generates. You can copy this. Okay, right now I can't try because I have only one computer here. Okay, in your home you can try. I put it in a sticky. You can copy this password.
Pasok mo yung password. Yung password din niya, pasok ko.
Okay, so now I have made a group, home group.
Ayun.
Now anyone wants to join my home group, they can click. They can go to their computer. They can click on this home group, and they will have the option to join. Now I have already created a home group, so I'm part of the home group. So if you go to your computer, you can click on the home group and you can give this password, and you can join my group. So we two are connected. Now in our case, we are using a virtual machine, so we are all in different networks. So we are all in our own networks, so we are not connected.
Sir, how can I exactly tap into your group, sir? What are the steps? I chose home group from within the...
When you click on home group, what option you get?
Okay, I'm getting that screen, yeah.
This screen?
Yeah.
Okay, here you will have the option, wait, if you want to join a home group, that means you have already configured a home group, right?
Yeah, I kind of like did my
that
own
means you have created your own home group.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so let me leave this group.
Leave this group.
Okay, leave group.
Oh, okay.
So if I left this group and I want to join your group,
Okay.
so I can just go to the home group and here create. There is currently no home group on the network.
No?
Because this right now it's an independent network. There is no connection to the outside
I
world.
see.
So if you have a network, home group in the network, it will show you. You can just join that network. Then it will ask the password. You can get the password.
Okay.
But right now I don't have. In this network I don't have.
Ikaw nga, connected ba tayo? Yeah. Yeah.
VMware kasi ito. Virtual machine. Independent siya.
Kaya dapat gawin ko sa labas. Subukan ko. Okay.
Iba ata sa Windows 10.
If you need to try this, you need to put 2 operating systems. Okay? But it will take time. Just and then you have this jump list. Jump list is nothing. It's like in the taskbar. If you do like this, you see right now. If you open the other one, you try. If I open something else, you try. Okay, so I have opened many Explorer windows, right? So if I point here, this is jump list. Okay, so before it was not there, I think in XP and all. You point here, it shows multiple windows, right? So you can jump to any window. These are quite normal things, okay? And then you have Windows Essential, that's what is this Windows Essential?
For Messenger?
It's a free program.
Oh.
It makes creating movies, things like that.
Windows.
Windows Touch.
Movie Maker. Kailangan install.
Ang chat din yan.
Ano kayo, parang kapag install mo Movie Maker, kailangan ko muna yan.
Yung Messenger, no?
Okay, this is for touch screens. Okay, from Windows 7 you can do touch screen also.
Message
Performance improvements,
yung
speed has been improved.
dedicated mo on na pang mail para sa
64-bit support.
Obsolete na, wala na.
So you can use 64-bit processors. Okay. Live taskbar. You know what is live taskbar, right? You keep here. If something is playing or something is happening on music or video, you can see that. simple things. Okay. There are different editions. You know audio editions, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Starter, home, basics, home, premium, professional, enterprise, ultimate. Okay, it's like when you book a ticket in flight, you have business class, economy class, first class, just like that. Okay. Home it doesn't have much features. Only for home users. What home users do, browsing and watch movies and this thing, right? So they don't need much features. So they don't have a domain feature. They don't have backup and restore. They don't have BitLocker. Now, what these features are that you will study from time to time. Okay. So you don't know what these features are. Okay. 35 languages. So the one that has all the features is Ultimate.
Yeah.
All the features. Okay. Professional. It has features for a single person, single professional, IT professional. Enterprise has a feature for a company's workstation. Hardware requirements, they are very minimal requirements. Okay. Then you have Windows 8. Win32, it means library. Yeah? Win32, WinRT. These are libraries. You know what is libraries, right? It's a different program that help the operating system work. Because the operating system itself is a software. If you think about it, it's like your Java development kit or .NET. Okay, so it has libraries. It is made up of libraries. So Win32 is the primary library that basically decides how files are opened, closed, saved. Okay. It supports 32-bit, 64-bit processors, memory. These are requirements. Minimum. Okay, minimum requirements. Minimum you need 2 GB RAM. If you're using 64-bit. Graphic card you need DirectX 9. Okay, minimum 20 GB hard disk. These are very bad minimum requirements. So Windows 8 supports tablets. Okay, that's what Windows 8 was designed for. Okay, now Windows 7 doesn't support tablets. Okay, even if you see the Microsoft phones, it's Windows 8. Touch centric. You have charms. You know what is charms?
Charms.
Yeah, press Windows key and C. Windows key, C. That's charms. Okay.
Your favorite.
Snap multitasking. This you have to be in the form of an app. See, in Windows 8, there was this concept called apps. Okay, in Windows 7 we did not have apps. We had just normal desktop softwares. So if you think about this VMware, for example, this is a software, right? It is a virtualization software. Now this is a desktop software. Now apps means, what do you mean by apps? Apps are things like this. Like if you go here, you find some apps, right? Like this OneDrive, Store. Okay. Even this, you see these things, music, news. These are apps. Maps, camera, calculator. Okay. See, this is calculator app. Okay. And this is calculator desktop software. What's the difference?
Same thing.
It's the same thing. Operation is the same thing, but app means it's made for the it's made for the touchpad. It's made for the tablets and phones like that. Okay. So normally we prefer these softwares, normal softwares. Okay. But if you're using apps, you have a snap multitasking feature. I don't know how to do this thing because nobody uses these things. Okay, this is actually a failure what Microsoft did here. They were trying to these things here. Who would go to